Okay, this is going to be today's futures day trading video review for Wednesday, July 12th, 2017 for Drummond Energy Bands. Today, before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 24.9 would be the line in the sand. We said the daily was pushing up from 22.5 overnight, but we needed to take out 29.5 or risk flushing back down. You can see that 29.5 was a significant level for us. You can see that the market when it's popping above this red line here, which is 29.5, this one right here, is a very, very strong amount of energy for us. Even though the number here was 274 and it's 115, you see, when the energy is above 100%, that means there's some strong energy taking place. Now, we've got a very simple way to look at the market. Now, obviously, if you were up at 2:33 a.m., it was a perfect setup for us. But when we look at the market, coming into the day, when we look at this point right here where this up blue arrow is on the left chart, the market is very, very strong. You'll notice from a very simple perspective, we've got our blue dot here above this solid white midline. It's in this upper yellow area. Now it's moving above it. This is very strong energy. So when we start to pull back here, we're putting in a wall, but the wall is way up here at 42. Now you'll notice that here on the trade chart to the right, we're pulling back and we're putting in a wall down here. Now this is the way this sets up here. The zeros that are red show zero energy pushing down. This is a very important place to be taking advantage of the strong energy coming into the market if you weren't up earlier to take advantage of it. This was a great opportunity. You can see for the rest of the day the market has been very strong. The pullbacks are not to be sold against, they're to be bought against. You'll see the dots, on a very simple perspective, the dots on this chart here, they're up in the area 5. So very, very strong above a solid white midline. We're moving into the very top of the daily upper energy band, you can see here. And this is another good place to have gotten along here at the lower daily energy band under this strong energy condition. We're exhausting, we're putting in a wall, but the wall is at 55. So we want to be very careful about jumping in front of the train until the energy has dissipated, and our focus chart is showing that it is an agreement. You can see the energy is very, very strong, still pushing to the upside. Anyway, we're going to do a webinar next Tuesday, 4:15 p.m. Eastern. You can sign up on the front of the website. Thanks very much for your interest.